Since I got lots of questions about lab number 10, I'll make a short video how to do this lab number 10 and how to solve this lab number 10. Okay, this lab number 10 is about Python module. We have to define four modules: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we have to use that module in our code and uh, import those functions and use it. Okay, so I'll demonstrate that. First of all, you have to create new folder. You have to go to new and folder. So when you click this, I hope you'll get untitled folder like this. So click this untitled folder and go up there and click rename and rename it as lab number 10. Okay, lab number 10 and click rename. Then go to that lab number 10, open it. There will be nothing inside. So let us create two files. The first file will be text file, uh, new text file, but we don't want text file, so we have to click here and then let us say lab10 module dot py. Okay, the name of the module will be lab10 module. You can name whatever you want. Okay, but I'll name it as lab10 module. Oh, let us follow which I have already given you. Let us call it as my module.py, and let's click OK. Then the first function will be addition. Let us click def. Let us type def addition, addition, and let us take as a comma b and colon and press enter. Let us return a plus b. All right, we have we have to define another one, subtraction, subtraction. Subtraction. Let us use ab colon and then return a minus b. We also need to define another function which is known as multiplication, multiplication, then a comma b and return a multiplied by b. And let us define the final function which will be division, a comma b colon return a divided by b. I'm using a and b. You can use xy, you can use pq, whatever you want, it's the same. So after you finish this, go to file, save. Then your module is ready. You have to go back to that lab10 folder and create a new Python file, Python 3. Then let us rename this untitled as lab10, and then we have to import. Um, we have to import. If we want to import all the functions, we can say from my module import star. That means we are trying to import everything. So let us run. Seems there is no error, means everything is fine. So let us get two number from the keyboard, and let us take it as x equal to integer input, enter first number, and let us do the same thing for the next number, input, enter second number, and then we have to use the functions that we already import, and let us call it as add equal to, okay, let us call it as answer1. Answer1 will be addition, addition, which should be the same as the module name, the module function name, y comma z, and let us print the sum of the two the sum of the two numbers is, comma, answer 1. Let us try to run this. Let us call it, let the first number will be 12, the second number is, let us say, 3, then the sum of the two numbers is 15. That's all right. Then we can uh, call another function, which will be subtraction x comma y, and let us print the difference of the two numbers. Is the difference of the two numbers is answer 2. And let us continue with answer 3 also. Answer 3 will be multiplication x comma y, and let us print the multiplication of the two numbers is answer 3, and let us call the final function, which will be division x comma y, and print it the division of the two number is ans4. Now let's try to run again this. Let me put 12, let me put 3, and let's see the result. The sum of the two number is 15, the difference is 9, and multiplication is 36, and division is 4.0. Everything working fine. Okay, if it's not possible in your system, I suggest you to go to kernel and then restart and click restart. I hope after you have restart, everything will work fine. Thank you.